Hello Quora users, today I'll guide you through the process of disconnecting your Google account from Quora, allowing you to unlink your Google account from your Quora profile. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account using your current username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to disconnect your Google account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Linked Accounts or Connected Accounts. Here, you'll find options to manage the third-party accounts linked to your Quora profile. Scroll through the list of linked accounts and locate your Google account. Click on the option to manage or unlink your Google account from Quora. Quora will ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect your Google account. Review the information provided and confirm that you'd like to proceed with the disconnection. After disconnecting your Google account from Quora, you may also want to revoke access from Google's end. You can do this by visiting your Google account settings and managing connected apps. Once confirmed, Quora will unlink your Google account from your profile, and you'll no longer be able to sign in to Quora using your Google account. And that's it, you've successfully disconnected your Google account from Quora. Your profile will no longer be associated with your Google account. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.